Hey all, thanks for stopping by. Real quick, I'm going to run you through a basic audio tutorial on Twitch Studio. I know it's a new program for a lot of new streamers, but let's make sure to understand what we're doing here so that we don't run into any issues in tracking audio, whether it be Discord for game or just getting some sound to your audience, whether it's on a recording or a stream. So the first thing we're going to want to do is make sure that we have the correct microphone and audio sources selected. So for me, I use my Razer audio controller slash chat or dash chat, and I use my Yeti microphone for recording. This needs to be lined up with your sound settings on your computer. It makes it super easy and streamlined to make your output the same. Razer audio controller chat right there. And then for my input, I use my headset Razer microphone because I do that with Discord and whatever else. But in this case, I have my Yeti set up for specifically my stream. After that, if you're having troubles with Discord, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go over to your voice settings in Discord, and we're going to make your input device whatever microphone you want to use. For me, on Discord, it's my Razer audio controller. After that, we're going to choose the output device. That's going to be my Razer audio controller chat. Sorry if I'm stumbling around on words today. The thing about this is the easiest and simplest way to make this work is to choose the same device for all your needs, you know? So whatever you're listening to your game with, whatever you're listening to your music with, if you want your stream to pick that up, go into that game, go into that app, and choose your default and dedicated headphones, speakers, whatever it is. Choose that in that app to make sure that that is what your stream is picking up. So my Razer audio chat is the same thing across everything I use. Real quick, just to show you that this works, I'm going to delete this. And I'm going to add it again. So we'll just walk through this together. Audio mixer, we're going to add. I'm going to use my Razer audio chat and controller. I have mine turned up a little bit because mine likes to stay a little on the quiet side, and I'm not going to do audio delay, compressor, noise gate, or noise suppressor. We want to keep those off, especially for your game volume, your music volume, or whatever else you're running. So I'm going to go ahead and add this, and I am going to play a song that I found on Spotify. It's non-copyright music. Thank Spotify for that playlist, and we're gonna hit play. My heart spills, so I'm cleaning up a mess. Yeah, gotta go to church, feel the demons at my neck. Yeah, when I'm on a pill, I be feeling like I'm blessed. So right here, you can see that it works. You have to add that same device everywhere. I'm pretty sure that it is my default device for my computer, as well as for most of these apps. Keep it simple. If you're new to streaming, you want to keep it simple. Use the same device for everything, even if that means you can't separate the audio for yourself. You want to get that interaction with your Discord. You want to get that interaction with your game. You want your viewers to know that you have stuff going on. You don't want to just be quiet. It's something that they can connect to, right? So be sure to keep it simple for now. Later on, I can do more tutorials on how to get more complex. We can start throwing in different sounds. We can start taking out sounds like I did for my microphone. Here with my Yeti mic, that's a whole separate thing. If it's something you want, if it's something that others want with this Twitch Studio, I'll walk you through how to do it because I have mine set up on Discord so that I can use them separately to engage with my audience or to engage with my chat. So if you have any issues running this setup, this is a new program. It's about a year old. It's in beta still. I don't know what they're doing in forms of direction. I'm going to go ahead and shut this off. But it's something that we can find solutions for if you have an issue. I want to help out new streamers, especially. I am a new streamer. I'm not new to IT or any of this software. I just not been streaming lately for myself. I help other people do it. So let's use this knowledge. Let's use each other to develop a base and get some good content out there. Go ahead and go follow my Twitch at twitch.tv/Plato. That's twitch.tv/Plato, Plaetoe. I'd appreciate a follow. I'll drop it down in the bottom, as well as link my Discord username. If you have any questions, go ahead and add me, message me on there. That's the best way to reach me with any of these problems. If there's another tutorial you want later on, go ahead and just let me know. If enough people ask, I'll definitely set one up. The next one that I'll probably be doing are webcam, and specifically the utility software that uses Rebel and Canon EOS cameras. So be sure to tune in if that's something you want to try out. With their recent update, they have a good selection of software that allows your old DSLR camera that seems pretty out of it in terms of computers to be used as a webcam, and it's a crisp, wonderful video. So again, check back in, follow me on Twitch, and subscribe to me on here. Look forward to future videos, guys.